Sergeant Frank Miller is swirling around now with a 200 square foot army flag. He is the team leader, the most experienced jumper of the club. There's quite a few thousand jumps. Very skilled, followed very hotly by Private Ryan Clark. He's doing his last step up as he comes down. Flying proudly the Prince of Wales' Royal Regiment flag. Okay, that is the team, all safely down.
But also adding media visits and other promotional activities.
All in all,
They'd like to tell the story of and commemorate those who fought for their country. The B-51 range was an incredible 2,000 miles. Thanks to its huge fuel capacity of 1,000 litres internally and another 850 litres in gun tanks. Equally impressive was a maximum level speed of 437 miles an hour.
And then I was lucky enough to get selected for an exchange tour with the Danish Air Force. I flew just F-16s for 3 years.
Oh, what deep joy. What fun. That must have been. What a shame we haven't got the F-16 here this year.
Oh, crowd favourite.
It's just an amazing machine. Anyway, let's get back to the sort of manoeuvres he's doing. How is he explain when he's going into the next loophole battle.
Yeah, so
how it works.
Yeah, so you can see he's doing a wing over now, so he's getting down towards that. And if you're lucky, you can pick one up the rare up front. But his happiest ever. We are in the 60th.
Don't worry when you go walking with it, you don't have to have a chat to you about that, but just the sheer thrill of being on the top of the wing is absolutely extraordinary. Of course, against both pilots and the wing walkers themselves, the choreographed on display like this. So it's just wonderful smoke travelling, beautiful aircraft. You can't fail to be moved by the entertainment, the image, and of course the history of the entire barnstorming play. Taking us back into yesteryear, this whole thing really matched on. They shot a problem, go back in and of course continued. Most other people would have just landed and fixed it. But it was an opportunity with so many spare aircraft and of course a lot of pilots out of work, not a lot to do, and an opportunity when we got together with the extraordinary but very apt named Ethel Dare. And they worked as a partnership for some time. But look now as they come through in formation and the girls line on their sides. They stood. So just look at the positions those girls are under now. This is Emma and Kirsten here having a time of their lives with these gaily coloured aircraft, and top pilot Snuji running there behind Dave Bowell, who is the chief pilot and lead display pilot for the team. And just outstanding. These aircraft, Stearman, developed back in the late 20s, early 30s, really. They started coming good as a training requirement for the US Air Force. Oh, absolutely delightful sight. And how entertaining is that? And the mighty roar now is the elite standard Stearman. That gives them the extra agility as well as the power to do the manoeuvres they're doing. What are they going to do this time? Well, they're certainly going to cross by each other very closely, but will they pull up into a loop? Will it be a roll? Let's have a look now. Oh, it's a bump. So as they pull up, of course they're pulling positive G, but as they go over the top, both dancers, Emma was a dancer, I believe. And it's quite competitive to get in as well. I mean, it's clearly hard work, and of course they have to work out their own routines. Generally of the lighter variety, of course, because it's putting extra weight, although anybody can go wing walking. Just go to the Aero Supermatic site, or to go wing walking.com. You'll be able to sign up for a flight on one of these aircraft yourself. They operate out of a lovely edge of the wing. Other arm hanging on to the bottom of the harness itself, and then the other hand holding one of the feet. Just take a look at this. Yeah, go on, give them a wave as well. They're not quite finished yet, so I hope they'll give us one more pass for that. But those girls, they're looking down on you, and they are working very hard indeed. It's just terrific stuff. And over 100 miles.